your hand if you're ready, when you're ready. If you're ready, blow the whistle if you're ready, when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Tell me you're ready when you're ready. Blow your whistle if you're ready. Raise your flag if you're ready, when you're ready. Some people like baseball. Some people like softball. Some people like horse racing. Some people like golf. Raise your hand if you're ready. Or blow the whistle if you're ready, when you're ready. Raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready, when you're ready. Yeah, yeah. Spin the coin if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready, when you're ready. Yeah, yeah, shoot the gun if you're ready. Ring the bell if you're ready, when you're ready. Yeah. Ready, yeah. Ready when you're ready. Yeah, yeah, raise your hand. Ready. Ring the bell. Ready when you're ready. Ooh, raise your hand. Ready. Spin the coin. Ready when you're ready. Ready. Ring the bell. Ready when you're ready. I think it out to raise your hand if you're ready. Blow the whistle if you're ready, when you're ready. Ooh yeah. Raise your hand. Ring the bell when you're ready.
Yeah. Way to go. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Alongside the youngest MC in the world, we call him Wadani Paki from IT Vet. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say good night. Welcome to the how much edition? 11 months. You have what, October right now, 10 months?
Correct.
Of action inside DYFA Studio. Take it away, Pak.
Yes, good night everybody, good night Alvira. Yes, good night everybody, good night Alvira. Who listening on DYFA Garifuna Wabagari. Pocket work Monday. Yes, I would say good night, Ida.
Yeah, good night, Pak. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start the show off tonight with a heavy heart, man. With a heavy heart. I see in the middle of the screen there, we have our mentor and coach, football enthusiast. He's a father, he's a grandfather, he's a neighbor, he's an activist. And one of my coach, I want to say condolences to the family of Felix Rodriguez, Mariano, Maddox, to the family and our friends here in Bengoche City. We lost a great one in Maddox, Paki. We lost a great one.
R.I.P. for the family.
Yeah. So I want to move the man picture and put the man picture to the side because right now they can't see where it. But, yeah. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, Paki, who the man to you?
Well, me know the man for a long time. Me grew up around the man. From John County, the man Garrett. He fight his fitness. The time for me to go race? What do you think?
Yeah. What's the man there?
For the man Garrett.
Yeah.
And also after the family condolence
Yeah, man, condolences to the family. Ladies and gentlemen, to Nadox, man. He really
Condolence to the one who lost all of the love and war this weekend.
made a lot of deaths. Yeah, a lot of deaths right now in Riga. Tell of a lot of people dying in Riga. You know. So it's got the condolences to them as well. But this one I really hurt with our homeboy, the old man Nadox. Nadox condolences to him. Nadi. We call him. Alright? So Bucky, what we have for the weekend?
Well,
Give me some stats. Give the people some stats.
we are start with some semi-pro over this weekend. Semi-pro play. Saturday night. Verdes knock out Bandits 2-1. That game, that good game.
Yeah, we still have
That
one
game played at FFB Stadium. Verdes gone up 2-1 and the game finished 2-1. Sunday, inside Maran Jones Stadium, Progressor against Port. Port knock out Progressor 4-0.
What? 4-0 Port, knockout Progresso.
Yes.
Alright.
Move on Sunday inside the mighty Caramo Stadium, the island San Pedro again, the mighty Wakia. We lost 5-3.
I get to understand that it was looking like a comeback game there. But here, the fight, everybody fight till the end. No?
Correct.
Yeah, that's why I here. I mean up there, then I just step outside for a minute and then, you know,
Good.
it around 3, 1, 2, 3, just like that.
Just like that.
Alright, so moving along.
Moving on, everybody want to hear this. We have scope.
There's stuff action by this weekend. I mean, a bombasson.
So
Tell her that. Boy.
this weekend, game Friday we gone. It's a big game. The 4th. October the 4th, you see. Pele Flash against Graveyard Bombers. That game, that loser die, we not go home. But not to be. Graveyard up 3-1 inside the second half. Late inside the second half. Pele hurt Graveyard 4-3.
That was licking.
And I 4-3. Pele has gone to the top 8.
King of Man, you're live on 91.7 FM, man. What you gotta say?
Hello?
Yes, you're live on 91.7 FM. You're on air. What?
Hey, top of the night, Maurice. How's things going, man? Top of the night, Paki.
Yes, good night.
I'm Mr. Ed Solomon from the Sports Council, the chairman.
Oh, good night, Mr. Salman.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man, I just realized you guys were live, I said, let me give you a quick shout. Firstly, to tell you how we appreciate the work you guys are doing,
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Ed. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, man. And at the same time, Maurice, I wanted to, just touch base real quick in regards to the major event that, I'm working on, right? In the fight, in the ring, right? The square ring.
Yes. That's the boxing package.
So I just want us to,
Okay.
yeah, to,
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
to line up questions.
Yeah, tell the people about it.
Yeah,
tell the previews of coming
Well-
construction.
Yes, man, definitely. Like never before, boxing is returning to Riga once again. Huge international fighting, crazy card, Maurice. We're talking about somewhere in the vicinity of 8 to 10 professional fights, along with about 4 to 6 amateur fights. So we'll see some of our youths. And this time, Maurice, this time, Paki, this time, Riga, 18th night. Everybody have something a little different to choose from, right? Something special. And so we want to start the night and end by the time the folks ready to go out and, finish dance, bowl or ruga. We want to set it up with boxing first, right? And like I said, we're gonna have fighters out of the USA, some fighters out of Mexico, some out of Guatemala, Honduras, and of course Belizeans as well. It's a huge, huge card, guys. Bigger than anything you've seen at like Las Vegas and Atlantic City and so on, right? And the promoters, we are co-promoting this thing, myself along with the Bees Boxing Development Council, and of course as well Bullet, right? Gordon, Cromwell Gordon, his production as well coming to Riga. So this thing has been brewing for a long time, and it's here now, right? It's here now, and as a result of this, if you come out and you support this, you're gonna be supporting our young people, because the big drive behind this is to establish fully boxing in Riga in the south, and by the means of establishing a gym, fully equip it and start training some of our young people, because in the near future, I believe, a couple of world champions are sitting right here in Riga, right here in the capital, culture capital. Yeah, man.
Well, Syed, it is something marvelous, something different, something that I think that it was long awaited for, because you guys are giving the town, the municipality, an option that they never had in a while. I know it was here before. We hear a lot of great things about boxing before now. Reviving boxing in this town, it's like reviving in comparison to the United States, Muhammad Ali. You know, so this is something that I think a lot of young people could channel their energy into something new. Come November 18th night, you know, 18th day.
Right. This thing will roll from about 5 to about 11, so from 5 p.m. to about 11 p.m.
Wow. So there's going to be enough activity here in this town.
Well, a lot of
Exactly.
Yeah, November, World 18th night.
Yeah, 18th
Exactly.
night. Yeah.
The weigh-in is going to happen on the 17th, right? In fact, I didn't say just now, the venue for this event is right at Russell Chiste Garcia Auditorium.
Right here.
And the weigh-in will be there as well on the 17th, the day before. We're going to have a press conference and the weigh-in.
Why? 17th and
18th.
Because, okay.
Right, and because of the size of the teams that are coming in, we want to have a special welcome for them. You know, I'm gonna try and get together our top local elected officials of the town, you know, in the mayor and the area rep, to welcome them, of course, along with some nice cultural presentation, and have a nice sit-down dinner with them. And we might even do a motorcade so that the people at Riga gets to see who these people are before they showcase their talents on the 18th evening.
Well, that's something again. It is wonderful, Paki. It is wonderful, because then people think something like that would never happen here in Riga, and then you say real boxing, like real sweat with the rate, and the auditorium is somewhere where everybody have a good seat, you know, and the ring in the middle. You know, we did a couple boxing presentation before. And we see it on TV a lot, so now we are bringing it here in Riga. Imagine that.
Yeah, because you know, Maurice, one of the things that somebody said, well, a couple of people have said to me that they don't think the 18th is a good time to have anything other than a bashment, right? And I'm saying to them, no, I don't believe that. I believe that if you listen, Riga is usually hosting about 5 times its population around that time of the year, or maybe more than that, right? And I am certain there are a certain number of those people who will be looking for something a little different, a little unique. Plus, the way it is set up, it's not going to take you all night. You know, it's the first part of the night. After you don't enjoy your boxing, then you go on a party, Riga style.
What's better than that with Aspa? What more better than that?
None better than that. Exactly.
Yeah.
Right?
I believe in it. I believe in it. I got feel that something will happen, something special, and boxing will fill that void. Of course, people walk up and down the street.
They just walk around. Yeah.
Up and down the street, Paki, and 18.
Yeah.
Up and down, you try and find something to do. So
Let's
put it like this. Are you prefer walk up and down the street just the whole liquor in your hands, or you know, you could still drink the liquor. We're not saying not to drink the liquor, but
You
go
still
and
want to have
enjoy
your liquor
something.
for purchase right at the event.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So you can still enjoy your drinks and you can enjoy a fantastic, unforgettable night. Right? One way I can't wait for the next one.
Correct.
Because, like I said, after this, that's straightforward, family. Let's set up this gym, start to train some people. We also are getting ready to establish our own officials. So we can start training officials from all different parts of the country. We'll start bring back in the WBC officials. And those are the people we deal with, Maurice. We know the play. We deal with the WBC officials. We deal with people out of Mayweather camp. We deal with people, like serious business. We don't into no jokes.
So to me, it's that's how I feel. It's not real to me. All right.
I know.
It really not so real to me because we're talking about the World Boxing Federation.
We to talk about
The World
Boxing Council. In fact,
World
you see
Boxing
those
Council.
officials. You see those officials that currently officiate our boxing events in the country.
Uh-huh.
They are, if you go and review, you'll notice the WBC patches on all of their uniforms. That's because it's their officials that comes in and train our people.
See? I don't know how that by.
Yes, man. And in fact, just before I forget, on November 2nd, right around the corner, you probably remember El Mecánico Esquivel, one of our battle fighters that had a belt recently. Right?
Yes, that one thick. The ballet thick. The short and
Yes.
thick.
He's going to be fighting for another belt in Cancun on the 2nd of November. A WBO belt.
2nd of November.
Yes, in Cancun. Sorry, in Cayman, not Cancun. Cayman.
Tell me something, Mr. Ed. When it comes to these boxers, when it gets to that level, are they pretty much one fight? They pretty much set financially, or they
Well, it all
just-
depends.
or
It all depends,
still touring.
Maurice, because the world of boxing it's not complicated, but it's extensive, right? It's there is no one group that deals with belts. If you notice the top groups, like the WBC, the WBA, the WBO, and the IBF, those are the top groups that sets up fights, that commissions fights, right? The fighting bodies. And all of those bodies have belts. And so sometimes you hear about unification of belts, and somebody might have one WBA belt and they want to take the next person belt or one WBC belt,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So it all depends which belt you hold and how many belts you hold. That will determine what kind of money you talk about. Right? So the more you get into fighting and the more wins you rack up and the more championship opportunities you get, if you could win those and add belt and add belt and add belt, then before you know it, you're a millionaire.
All right, it makes sense, no? Look like they fight in like different associations. Now they fight for the top. Who could unify those? The one who has the most,
Right.
have the higher chances of fighting,
Right.
getting big fights.
And so, just like I said, we have an opportunity right here, November 2nd, for Eduardo El Mecánico Esquivel to go up to Cayman and take that guy's belt. That's a great opportunity for him. Because if he's able to go up there and take this guy's belt, then that's going to launch him a little higher in the rankings, right? And then that might present an opportunity for him to fight somebody else for another belt from one of the other bodies, which then now you start to talk bigger purse. You see me?
Yeah. Well, let's keep it at that for now, Mr. Ed.
All right.
Talk more on that.
As you can see, there's a lot to discuss.
Yeah,
There's a lot of knowledge we want to share with people about boxing and the possibilities and the potential for young people through this vehicle that is sweet science called boxing.
And I know you're passionate about it there, Ed, and what I like again is the option and also the opportunity for young people to get into something that, they could channel their energy and they might something that they might end up loving, Once we be given that opportunity, then you could, step up and move up in a direction. Yeah.
Yes, correct. Well, guys, thank you so much for accepting this call and allowing me to to be part of your show tonight.
No
Right.
problem, no problem.
I just wanted to keep pressing on with this boxing, and I'll be coming along, hopefully joining you guys on the show at some point. So to further discuss the events
You go come in
and the
next
bouts,
week. Next week,
right?
Monday,
Who
go
are the
come in.
fighters, the rounds, and all that stuff, and
Yeah, we need more promotion going there, Edge, because like I said, even for me, I'll be there, but for me, the grandness or the bigness of this event, it's like it's like going to the World Cup, like in the pinnacle of football compared to the pinnacle of boxing, have this world organization crumbling right here in Riga.
Yes, just before I go, Maurice, in regards to to selling this event, I already have the best graphics man doing my flyer, in Rajan.
Yes, of
Right,
course.
and Rajan has done a wonderful job. That first flyer that came out, it's just an awareness, but the official flyer will be out soon, which will also carry some of the other sponsors logo on it. And the banners are going to be hung in different parts of the country. A couple of them here, Independence, Hopkins, Belmopan, probably in about a week or so.
Nice. I want to big up my good friend.
As well, Babakas will be doing his radio ad, and then Rajan will do a video ad after that audio ad as well.
Nice. Perfect. Right in order, right in line. Again,
Yes.
thanks again, man. Thanks for making this call. And I want to big up my good old friend from way back in the 90s. My good old friend Cromwell, the Beast.
Yes.
The Beast.
Yes.
Lord.
Enough respect.
Yes.
Enough respect to them guys, because those guys have decided to invest in us, in our community, and they're serious about what they're doing. And from what I see, I believe we are a team to reckon with going forward when it comes to the sport of boxing.
Yeah.
Myself and them, Brother Assad, and the rest of the Belize Boxing Development Council.
Nice. Good. Well, Mr. Ed, thanks again for sharing the information. Come in anytime in the studios, give us a head up, and then, again, we'll pick it up again, because this is great. This is grand. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Ed.
Yes.
Respect, gentlemen. Have a good night.
Yeah,
Paki, take care. Back to you.
Yes, thank you. God bless.
Yeah. Bye,
Yes,
Paki.
man. All right.
All right, good night. Bye, Paki, big things to come.
Good night.
Good night, Mr.
Good
Ed.
night, good night, yes.
Good big things to come in, agree, my brother.
Yes, guys.
Big thing
You know,
to
hear that, guys? Big thing, Griga, November 18th.
Over 18, night boxing.
Right now, Russell Chiste Garcia.
Why?
What thing?
This is something where I never see the come back here.
You never see it too? This is my first time in watch boxing.
You don't see
man.
boxing is back?
No, boy.
It's gonna be exciting. Tell our gang I watched one the last time I was with Chiste, and it was a pleasure.
Last time, now be real, last time I went, but Alabama Park.
Boxing?
Yes, yes,
Anyhow,
yes.
how was that other guy? A real oh! No man, I never back to you gonna watch. You never
That
gonna.
what fit?
They were gonna wait. You missed the actual them fight.
Yeah, when
Oh yeah. You're right. That's the last year. That's 2 years. The last year.
last 2 years, so what I did.
Yeah, you're right. You make out that's the truth. Why you know tell life. All right, moving along, Paki. Let's go to the Mayor's Cup action.
Yeah.
Mayor's Cup.
Me have to play October 4th. Boy, this is a big game. Game 1, Graveyard and yes, game 1, Graveyard and Pele. Graveyard up quarter first half with 3 goals to 1. Late in the second half, Pele come back, boom 4 on Graveyard. Game end 4-3.
But when that game started with Graveyard, Graveyard, they will fight amongst themselves. They never focus. They come out vexed, score a 2 quick goal, and then they start
Relax.
Then they press.
And they start press.
And lose the ball, easy. Give way, and then Pele take advantage. They get too comfortable.
But the court make a wrong miss. One wrong change.
Really?
Take out his left back and bring her forward and up the left and left foot. And for there, right the general boom hat trick.
Jonathan good for hat trick.
Yes.
Wow. So now how the playoff action look? Hold on. We want with proper fix the second game.
Yes.
Our
Second game, proper fix and proper fix and Young and Upstart Wabagari. That game went 11 goals to 1.
But Wabagari, I like Wabagari.
Yes, they got a good team, they got a young team. But they just have to keep up the good work and continue working.
My 11 a lot, but it's a loss is a loss. No, when you lost,
Because me take 10 yesterday.
you never take 11, no.
Yeah, what we take 10.
But you still in the playoff because I get to understand about the plan
Protest.
protest again because you have Silk Glass had a semi-pro player in Nigeria, Helio. So I think Mr. Acosta will not protest it easy.
Easy, yeah.
So you guys are still in the playoff.
Yeah.
First time Paki
Yeah, the top.
in the top 8.
Yeah.
Playoff action, I think first round will be with Silk Glass and Ballon Pride. Going to be like 8. I will beat the team again, but playoff is a different season.
Different level.
Now, Paki, how you feel about going into the playoff? I mean, how you feel as a goalkeeper? Because you stopped some wonderful shots last night. I mean, point blank range with Kelly fire from top of the 6-yard box, and you just tip the ball over. I mean, where we going on and play then?
Well, we just feel wonderful. This is my first time in the play Radar Cup. And it makes a good save, but they won me. But I'm ready for playoff.
Yeah.
Playoff are different level.
You're right. Alright.
Moving on. This Friday. Boy, this Friday like last regular season, October the 11th. On the come out, guys. On the come out this Friday. October 11th. Game 1, 7 o'clock. And now I say that game 1 either 7 o'clock. Guess who the week who? The Mighty Griga Conquerors versus YG.
Why? The Mighty Griga Conquerors versus YG. Conquerors don't qualify for the playoff?
Boy, that game there, that determine who will move up, who will stay down.
About standings.
Yes.
Who we got out there? Alright, make them pass the studio. It's alright. We good. So this weekend, 1 game, 2 game.
2 game.
Proper fix not play again this weekend.
Second game will close out the regular season. The league leaders. The top back at top.
Wow,
1,
your
2,
team.
3. Boy, my
Versus
team.
who?
Versus the nearby. Being a check proper fit.
Why I will take proper fix by this one. I will take proper fix by this one.
So me and your whole beef.
Who will you take for this game?
Me know you down.
Alright.
Fully. 1, 2, 3. Beat up.
Alright, so you know what I know, eh? I can't be partial and take one. But my team, the team what I think will win the game, and let me put it this way. The reason why I say proper fix will win this game is because the last game when they blow Wabagari led, that team is a lateral Middleton and then Ramos.
Plus, because they win
Don't got nobody right now who have to hold lateral Middleton, who have hold Middleton. And then Pio never play in a defense for lockdown, for crush anything, for trample anything in and out the back line.
Profit middle can't go against our middle. Everybody know that.
Right. Latrell, the leading scorer last year, the most scored in the PLB.
Yes.
With the brother play with Mount Creek last season.
We got
And then
done.
they have Port Loyola.
We got Donnell for lockdown. Lachel. We got Christian this Friday. Me not getting no.
Who knock off Beaton last season?
Profit.
All right,
Be
good.
revenge.
Proper fix on Beaton packing.
No, not this Friday.
Well, we don't want you come up to the commentator booth and then you're vexed now because last time I tell you, all the bet I tell you last, all the games I tell you what happened, the outcome and again, they happen and you get vexed.
In our event this year, we are winning Profit 2-1 Friday.
Proper fix right now, on Beaton I tell you. Because of the facts, I don't make up nothing. right? The viewers might not like what I said about it, but
What the fans say? Let's go for the fans.
we go hear what the fans are.
What the fans say?
I'll check right now. I'll check what the fans say right now. Hold on. Why this thing alone? Where you going this thing, right? Alright, make we hear what the fans say about this thing, you know. Okay, hold on. Alright, we got campsite, it say Brigalit, Camp ST, 99 cents, Charlie Mar, Beauty going home soon, Garifuna go home soon, Brigadier, good night, Charlie Mar. Good
Night,
night,
Charlie Mar.
good night. No, we said Charlie Mar. Remember the good old days with the kid, Rocky Lane, Kidul, Kid B, Slim Terror, Kid B, Rambal, D-Line, Kid Swazo, Abimbelo, Kid Zeke, Kid Jude, Buji, and other guys who fought, and the other guys in Sabana Stadium located where bus terminal is now right now. So Wingman Ramos, he said Keon Augustine. Alright, Keon Augustine is a deadly striker, Paki.
Who?
Sion Augustine. Right now the man is on fire. The man he's a smooth operator. The man could beat anybody in a phone back line right now. Beaton can't stand up against Papa Fix at this moment. And I never think when I see the lineup, when I see that game the other day, I said, why? That when me I get pull out them players they're from. You get frightened when you see that game. How much will it beat Wabagari?
We win Wabagari 3-0.
How much Beaton? How much Papa Fix winning?
That 11 because they don't got a keeper, they don't got midfielder. They meet. Wait, Prama Fit meet Wabagari shot.
Paki, you always look at it and I always like, excuse me, brother.
That was true.
Beaton is on a high, we understand that. But Proper Fix will, from what I'm seeing, what I'm observing, Proper Fix will demolish them. It's going to be something like a movie because these guys, they click right now. The team, they play together at the right time. Get ready for playoff. And guess what? They could still meet, they will still meet, you can't run for Proper Fix, you know. Undefeated right now, Paki. We understand that. But this is a whole new ball game, and you know that, you experience enough now. The youngest MC in the world know that. So that what?
We just do our job the way we have to do. Knock a bravo fit. And go have player, we have momentum.
Alright. Well, what else we got in the sports?
We not done it, we got updates for the Mayors Cup, who the league, who they win.
Yeah, you have that thing in your head now, bro.
Me got it there.
Alright, give us the standings right now, please. Give us the standings for the Mayors Cup, 2024 Mayors Cup.
Standing for 2024 Mayors Cup.
Let me start with second place. Go down for second place.
Go down for second. Okay, RC with 24.
Who that first place?
Beat them with 30.
Oh yeah, I said that. Alright.
1, 2, 3, beat them with 30. RC with 24. Followed by YG in a third place at 19. Followed by Wabagari in a fourth place with 19. Followed by Profit in a fifth place with 18 points. Followed by Pona Impact with 6 spot with 18 points. Followed by Teleflash 7 with 17 points. Followed by the Great Mighty Green Conquer 8 with 14 points.
Oh, Wabagari.
Wabagari they are 4th with 19 points.
Why? So Conquerors there. So Conquerors qualify already, right? Or almost come. Why?
No, this Friday that determine. Because see, if YG knock out Conqueror, example like if YG knock out Conquerors, YG move up, that's 22 points. YG got sealed third place, but if YG lose, YG remaining 19. But if Proper Fit knock out beat down, Proper Fit move up the third place with 21 points. Then Conquerors move up the 7th with 17 points. And Pella drop down to 8th.
Why? say, welcome back. Good night, Paki. He says, stop the bang hooky. Good night again, China. Man, let's stay at 20 live on 91.7 FM. Bye. Yeah, alright. Ladies and gentlemen, okay. Anything else from you, Paki?
No.
That's it for tonight?
We got giveaways.
We have time for giveaways?
Yes.
Alright then, we're gonna give away, since we have a whole bunch of people alive, we're gonna give away a strap or anything there where people collect the money from and thing. Wait there, Paki. We will open it up and we'll seal it right back. We're giving that away tonight. What question we have for the people? You give the question.
We get against that.
One giveaway before we go, ladies and gentlemen, because we're going closer to November 19th celebration. We're giving away this strap.
This strap, ma'am, and we're doing 2 tickets.
2 tickets to the international
Shaka competition, November 16th.
Alright.
Inside Karama Stadium.
Alright.
Alright, give the first question.
Alright, since
For
you
the
were,
bank.
alright, since you're like young SMC, the man is telling me, okay,
Type it in for live. Right?
type it in on the live, and we want to, the question for tonight is, we want to, what is Paki real name?
Okay, then.
Paki real
Real name.
name, the complete name. Give a first name, the middle name, and the last name. And then you get that. Just Paki real name and just give his age. Paki age. And then you earn yourselves that. Show them Paki, make them see. We just want to know Paki name and his age, and then we'll give you that strap. We're giving away courtesy of Jubilee's Foundation. Right? Thank you very much. And we'll do that for like 3 minutes, Paki. If nobody getting that 3 minutes, and then we'll move it on next show again, we'll give it away, or we'll give it away at the stadium. Yeah, it'll be the same question. We're not changing the question. Alright, make me look at the live. Just so they go on.
Make me see where they go on.
I earned myself with that earn.
Wow, bag where I put you. Take the medal.
And again, yeah.
Alright, we got answer call tonight.
Yeah, we'll do. Just call some messenger tonight. We answer call
We
tonight.
got answer call tonight.
Alright? Yeah, but while we're waiting for someone to give us Paki real name, for that backpack, you'll get about 1 ticket to enter the international Shaka competition this year on November 16th. What I want to talk about before while we're doing that is the first division that is coming up. We also have
Rado Cup play this weekend.
Rado Cup. We also have
Rado Cup Sunday, 3 game play. You say game 1, then knockoff, Graveyard 4-1 RC. Second game went 11 goals to 0 to Grand Knock off Valley Pride, 11 goals to 0. And the third game, Conquerors knock off Impact 2-0. Here with a goal and AG Book Estero.
Nice. So, Conquerors knock off Impact?
Yes, 2-0.
2-0. Well, that's a close ball game. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, put it live. Please give us Paki's real name, Francis Roches. He's saying Ernest Mejia. No, it's not Ernest Mejia. But Mejia is his family. We have Mejia in our family, but it's not Ernest Mejia. Just give us Paki's real name. Again, rest in peace to Nalox, man. Official Nalox, my coach. From a little boy, he's been my coach. Alright? We talk more about the primary school competition is going on this Monday, the 15th. I don't like it. I'm the head coach for Segeda. I don't like it. I go tell them right now I don't like it and I don't want to go there. But that's the way it is right now. I can't fight it by myself, but that's
Why you being 9 outside?
a new thing when they have. Alright?
Then just remember, Sunday, October 13th, Bengo Cherry Day. Bengo Che Park
They go
Fest.
to Pound Fest, right?
When Park Fest done, every leader way to Island Hawaii Baldegate.
Yeah.
On Friday, we are doing ticket for Baldegate. And me ask the question Friday like Ramos.
That'll be the same question.
Correct?
Yeah, let's tell us Paki real name. Tell us Paki real name. You still say Ernest Mejia? No. Well, nobody want it back, Paki. You earn yourself. Earn yourself a bag.
Oh, wanna go call in now?
Call in and call for messenger. Alright, no. Football. We got 2 more minutes in the show, because we don't say 3 minutes and nobody type in for Paki. You know, got the DYFA Talk show tomorrow. So tomorrow we're talking about Wabafo fishing.
Okay.
Wabafo. That's how with Mr. Blab and China Neck, and they try right now they try knock out Vera out of the organization.
Fish the bite right now.
Fish the bite, right?
Fish the bite, boy.
Fish the bite, 'cause you gonna clean fish tonight, right?
Yeah, we got a fish, boy. They give me
Fish the
a
bite.
boy. They give me shark too.
Yeah. So we got that shark patties in the morning, right? Yeah, but my message for all is Alright. Let us see the live. Okay, Farah Montero Flores. Alright, let's see if Farah Montero Flores is saying. Farah Montero Flores, she said, Isa Mejia, you're close, Farah, you're close.
You begin the eye, you're close.
You're close, you're very close.
But that'll make ya.
Yeah, call one of the boy man, call Malachi or call Isa or call Mary Margaret Reyes, call it. And you'll get the answer. We got 2 more minutes in the show to get the answer and you earn yourself. Show them that back there again, Pak. Yes, my only message to football family is for if you want to change in our community when it comes to football, that the coach and the manager, I have to blame, and the owners and these teams, I have to blame. We have to move right and have to learn to listen to people who've been there, and people who mean good, and people who want to see change just like you. Make we try something different so that we could grow. If we're doing the same thing, then we're not grow no way. It's just a bit frustrating. Alright, if you want to say something, try where you're going right now. Go ahead and try it. Nobody has stopped enough from playing First Division. Go ahead and play First Division. We cannot stop football. We don't want to stop football. If you want to grow with football and know, just follow what the countries they do that are successful in these sports. Follow exactly what they do, how they do it. Get the recipe. That just like if you want to bake a cake, right? If you don't know how to bake a cake, you ask somebody who knows how to bake a cake. They will teach you. If you don't know how to make the nice, gaggle, the oily, packy, the rich, packy patties, you ask man, make sure I tell them. We're not going to make patties, you don't know how to make patties. You ask the people who know how to make it. And the same thing in football. If you don't know anything about football, you ask the people who know football, right? So, owners, get in the game. Owners, learn the administration and management of football. Nobody on the practice right now, Paki. 1 or 2 teams like Conqueror the practice.
Conquer the practice, Wabagari the practice.
But your team beat on in the practice. They just have players who love to play football come together and come and do things out there. Majority of the team in this town, they're not practicing, they just go there and play. Alright? Good night, Shelly. Good night. Yes. So nobody get the answer. Again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks again, Paki.
Well, let's go give away 1 night ticket for November 16th. Then we'll give away the bag and the next ticket Friday night like our almost near the first game.
Let's do that at the game then, Friday night. We'll do that because right now people don't answer the question. The question I already typed it, they can't.
We'll go answer it tomorrow on the live. You told on go answer it because you not take down on the live. Yes, sir.
No, because you were gonna tell somebody the answer, Pak.
Okay.
I know how you rest. You not trick me, the Packy. You trying to trick me, man. Stop to trick me, Packy, man.
Sorry.
Because I want to trick me, man. Not the chance, man. Stop the chance for people, Packy.
Sorry. Aha. Give it the update for the play this weekend. And you earn yourself one ticket for Shaka competition.
Alright.
Type it in for your life. Me don't say on the list one on the left for your life.
What you want again?
Give me who will play Friday, who will close off the Mayors Cup regular season.
Alright, Packy wants to know the teams that are playing.
Yes.
Alright, I will list the teams.
The 4 teams who will play Friday, who will play first game and the second game. And you earn yourself a ticket for Shaka competition 2024, November 16th, inside Karama Stadium. And when the Shaka competition happen, football they play. 5 kids on the line.
No, the way how it is, I understand. I just get a full understanding of this Shaka competition. It's gonna be a cultural day where they sell don't Garifuna food in the stadium. They will have the first game. If they got kind of 2 games they play them. They have kind of 14, 2 games, right? One I get it, but 2 games they play. So what will happen is they will play the first game. Who's up going home?
We're not advanced.
And then we are people 6 to 7, 30. That's what marathon style go, right? And then from 7 to 9, 2 hours. 7 to 9, you have the international Shaka competition. 2 hours of full-fledged action. When the Shaka competition is done,
Back to football
action.
That'll be the final game.
Yeah, Chalamar is saying about we are attending well, Narok's funeral in football uniform. I definitely wear my uniform. If we wear by the pride uniform when I go again.
Correct.
A funeral.
Now let me be tongue sir.
Yeah. Fucking name is Wadani Mejia. No man, don't tell her that name, man. But you're close, Farah.
You got him in the name. Wadani.
You're got a man middle name. Get the full name. Hey, you don't tell me that the Wadani is said, but I'm telling you right now. David Elio, he said Wadani Reyes. Why you close? You're close, Uncle Black. You're close.
One more, the first.
Yeah, you're close.
You got the middle and last name.
Yeah.
But the first name.
No, don't know Wadani Reyes. You're close, man. Alright, now we got Francis Roches. He's saying Impact versus RCFC. Wagarala versus Conquerors. You're wrong, Mr. Roach. Wrong. Try again. You are going to take it to the international Shaka competition. Just answer that question there. Yeah, take it. That is Shaka competition. A lot of people are coming for that line. You went packet?
Yeah, why not? I'm already DYFA and I'm near by the gate.
Yeah. Why Shaka competition?
Right, next month, boy. Next month. We're there in the month of what? October.
Yeah. Alright, so, man, Paki, what do you think? I think nobody, again, I gotta go. We'll do this again on Friday night. We want to give away these prizes. Make us do the thing again, Pak. We want to give away this, man. Answer the man, give. We don't care. We say packing every day. We don't like tease, Don't forget the man real name, man. You forget the man real name, man. Packing, I got a show tomorrow, me and Charlie Marno. Tomorrow we're talking about the wabafu fishing. The wabafu fishing. Yeah, alright, look here. Mr. Roach is what we're giving away, man. I know as a taxi man, this is a real wild thing. Right? This thing are nice. You can put this outside, you clip it and thing. Package, you know, carry make us sell the package no. Feel the thing, feel it.
Why, feel nice.
It's soft, yo.
Those cover states.
It smell like steak package?
Those come in today.
Alright. Look at put that back in now.
Put that back, boy. I know how to claim it.
Yeah.
Put that back, put that back.
Yeah. Mr. Rogers is laugh, the man enjoy the show, pa.
See, when you put that back, guys, when you put that back.
Yeah.
When you put that back, boy, you put that back.
You go right back in the plastic. Put that right back in the plastic.
Go back, boy. Go back in now.
Hold on.
Okay, put it back in the plastic, boy. And now in the bag. And now in the bag.
Nobody want it.
No, I know how in the bag. Now the ticket. And Shaka competition late.
Why this competition man big? You got here man said that roll up into the grass. Yeah.
I don't know how in.
Alright, so
And if you meet me tomorrow, now I ask me question. Me answer, huh?
yeah. Alright.
We say time for you on live.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta go. I don't know what Paki SD, that was me. I ain't going by back.
Well, we have to go. See you now. Friday, Mayors Cup, Game 1. YG, Conquerors, Game 2. Big Dog versus Bengal Check Proper Face.
Oh yeah, who will win that game again?
Big Dog.
And then we got Belize International game coming up this weekend.
Wednesday
night inside FFP Stadium. We have Belize going about against Anguilla. Again, this is the
Kaifa will be there.
We'll be there.
We'll be there.
Yeah. We'll be there. So tune in, keep it locked. 91% of them alongside the youngest and the greatest and best MC in the world right now. He's a world class MC. Whether on the fucking race.
Don't take the mic.
Right.
Maya